Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 12th of August 2024 and the week will end on Friday 16th of August 2024. So I hope you guys must have made good profits last week, as all of the setups that I discussed worked pretty much very nicely, and if I sum up around, it was a 500 pips profitable week. So today again I'm here to present some new setups, and these are the pairs, mostly the currency pairs I will be discussing today in this video. And the crypto, I usually do that during the week, and the daily forex forecast videos I do the cryptos as well. But at the moment I have not enough traders who are trading the cryptos, and here I want to add one thing, is that I am soon going to diversify my portfolio a little bit, and I want to add cryptos as well to my analysis, because every setup that works right here on the forex markets, it is also applicable on the cryptos as well. And those who then ask me, can we use this formula and this strategy on a crypto? So yes, definitely you can do that. But anyways, today I just want to discuss the currency pairs, including pound yen as well, because I have received several messages for it. And let's have a look at it, and let's have a look at my simple strategy. Those of you who are watching me for the first time, so pay close attention. There is a lot of learning stuff for all of you. Make sure by the end of this video, give me your like and subscribe the channel if you like my trading strategy. And also, if you want to share it with your friends, you are most welcome. And one thing more, you have to give me your feedback in the comment section down below. So right here on the pound yen, my friends, there is one thing I want to add. When I analyze any currency pair, or when I teach it to my clients, on when I give a setup to someone, I have seen one thing, and that is everyone is in a rush. In a rush of what? They want to make quick profit. So remember, my friends, forex trading is just a business, right? And if you are here that one day you will turn your $100 into millions, or your $1,000 into 10,000 or 20,000 in just a very short span of time, then I think you are just wasting your time, right, my friends? It requires a proper strategy, and when you have a strategy, then it requires proper discipline. And the discipline, you can practice it. It comes with practice, it comes with time, right, my friends? So pound yen, right here I want to discuss it for all of you. First of all, this is a very nice and fantastic chart right here in front of me, with 1 month closed in red very nicely from 207 level. And after that, this present candle is yet open. But what this monthly chart now tells me is that, what is this? This, my friends, is a swing high. Now obviously, where is the swing low of this particular chart? The swing low was all the way from right here. Okay, so this is, now most of you will be thinking this is way too stronger level and way too stronger analysis, but not, this is not. On the basis of these two levels, we can find good trading opportunities on these lower time frames as well. Keep this one thing in mind, right? But what we usually do is, when we identify two levels, it fairly becomes so much easy for us to trade that particular instrument. So right here, as you can see, simply if I was a monthly trader, and if I was a very long-term investor, then definitely I would be in a sell trade at this particular moment for a very long time, right, my friends? for a long time. I mean that this market has to drop towards the on 1st September 2022, so 2 years low near 151.940. But obviously this much long term I don't want to see the market for now. And obviously on the monthly, one more thing I want to do is, and this will also be a very key level, those of you who are not familiar about this particular method, make sure to check out my other videos as well, so that you can clearly understand what I mean. So right here 61.8% retracement, and last month we have seen a very fantastic drop from the level right here. So on the basis of this drop, now this month is currently open, and I want to add one more level, and that level will be starting all the way from right here to the top. And in simple words, now I assume that this whole is my monthly impulsive wave right here. So it will give me a level 61.8% retracement, and I can easily highlight this particular level. Now whenever this 61.8% retracement comes in front of me, what I have to do is I have to see that if it broke the previous structure or not. Yes, so here we have a previous break of structure near in 1st September 2022. This break of structure occurred. Now my monthly stuff is done, right my friends? And now what I can do is, even I can delete it, I don't need it, right? So this much impulsive leg, then those who ask me how to find an impulsive leg, this much impulsive leg I think is more than enough for weekly traders. Now similarly, as you can see, with the help of Fibonacci, without doing anything, I found this very fantastic support zone right here. You see market exactly break above this, and then there is several retest right here, another retest right here, consolidation zone right here. This level acted to be a strong resistance in the past, and a strong breakout point right here as well. So a very strong level it is, and it definitely will be helping us identify future moves of this pound yen. So what I'm going to do is, I'm again since this is bullish, so I have to draw from bottom to top, and here you see right here at 61.8% retracement you see. And even if I extend it right here to this side of the market, you can see that somewhere closer right here we have had this previous resistance right here from where the market drop. So I will break this particular setup into several pieces. The one is this right here. Okay, let me do it once again, and if I do it once again, the precise level is right here. So even now if we see, there is a very fantastic zone right here. So now I can very easily move to the daily time frame and find out what this level can bring us, right? So on the daily time frame, what this is now showing us is, it seems as it took a very nice support from right here, though the actual buying level was 176.300. so if it bounces off from here, it means that it will try to find out another level for itself, so that more trader can trade it. So right here if we see, this presently is again pointing towards this zone of 197.142. so let's see how we can play this particular trade opportunity as a seller. Up there we have a consolidation zone right here. So this is the pound yen. Moving on to the Aussie US dollar, and same thing I'm going to do right here on the Aussie US dollar. Well, if I zoom out the chart a little bit like this, you can see that it is ranging right here, and this is a very pretty much strong level right here. So I will suggest that there are now two zones. It is a little bit hard to predict prices on this one, but I want to do it for all of you. And the last monthly candle closed in bearish. We have a good support, we have a good resistance, even we have a top up there. So obviously this is now ranging. So let's see on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame we have several Fibonacci levels right here, but obviously on the weekly for now this is ranging in between these two zones. So fairly it should be easy enough for me to trade it on the lower time frames. On the daily time frame, well, the image might be a little bit blurry, but let's see this Fibonacci zone right here, and this Fibonacci seems to be working very nicely. But since it is a range, so I will highly suggest that we can look for some potential selling opportunities near these price points, 0.67984 and 0.67676. And upon that there is one Fibonacci zone right here, and the Fibonacci zone comes right here near 0.66254. so let's see. I personally want to stay neutral on the Aussie US dollar, because I personally don't like this particular pair at this stage. It is trading, but I personally don't like to trade it, so I will add a cross right here because I'm not interested in the AUD USD. Dollar CAD, let's have a look at it, and the previous levels I definitely have discussed. And for the previous levels you can check back my previous videos and you will understand. So since this is going very sharply to the upside of the market, and there is a good chance that the market may test this particular Fibonacci zone at this present moment, there we have a very nice zone of support right here, and we now also have a zone of resistance as well. So price trading in between two ranges, and right here if we see, it is showing us that it is going to complete this ABCD pattern right here. So once this ABCD pattern completes, this is going to be pushing further up towards 1.40. I have discussed it in my previous sessions as well, and this will be a new high. So this 1.39 zone I have shortlisted for a sell as well. You see we have got a very fantastic resistance right here as well, and just in case if this market drops and even if it closes below this particular zone, so any buying we have, it will hit the stop loss right here, and then we have to wait for a correction of that 1.37 zone, and then looking further to 161.8 extension of the Fibonacci. So let's see if it happens or not. First, I'm in favor of this, and I definitely will be trying to trade it on the other time frames during the week, that is starting from 12th of August. Remember, I have received one question most of the time, and that is why a trader usually take a bad trading decision near the resistance, because most of the 95% of the traders are taking these trades on emotions. When you are emotional, when you cannot control your emotional, when you have to pay your bills, when you have a lot of burden on your head, then in those situations I think that if you have burden and if you have a lot of stress on your mind, I think you will not be able to take a very nice decision, right? So soon I'm going to start some psychological and motivational sessions for all of you, and I'm sure enough after that you will any trading decision that you take will be to the good side of the market. Remember, this is my strategy, and the sell that I gave is 226 pips up. So buyers make money, sellers make money, but those who want to become buyer right here, they don't make money. They just lose and lose and lose. And what's the guarantee if the this price will be stopping right here? There is no guarantee at all. In forex, when we trade, when we put our stop loss, it means that if this stop loss is gone, it's gone. We are not going to chase the market. We are not going to click buying and selling very rapidly on these lower time frames, because if you are rapidly buying and selling on the lower time frames, very soon from investor you can become a gambler. Sorry to say this, but this is a reality. Working with different clients from all over the globe, I have found that These are the mistakes every trader repeats. Now dollar yen, my friend, as last week I have discussed this buying opportunity. At that time I can easily give you this 300 pips of sell opportunity, and I have told you that this market, you can check back my previous analysis, everything is in front of you. I want to keep things transparent right since the beginning, and perhaps I don't lie and I'm an honest trader. Perhaps that's why my subscribers are not increasing, because I have heard that those who are honest and those who say the truth and the real image of the market all of the time, they never grow. Only those traders grow who just keep lying and lying and lying, and they say, hey guys, see this setup I gave, hey guys, see this setup I gave. So I don't do that. This setup I gave, those who get it, very nice. Personally, if I tell you about myself, I couldn't took it, right? So honestly, I'm telling you, I couldn't took it, but it was a fantastic. So for now, if you check the previous weekly analysis that I did right here, and as per that analysis, it has still like to go till 153.952, from where I'm planning to take some sell as well. Now remember, this is a very fantastic zone. Most of the traders, let's say right here, most of the traders took buying decision on the basis of this pin bar, and I was telling you to sell right here. So why I told you that? What was the confirmation at that time? The confirmation was, this was the second level that gave me a sort of a price action which clearly tells me that this is going down. And those traders who took this, congratulations. I personally didn't took this because I took good profits on the gold US dollar. Every currency pair I cannot trade. Sometimes I will be trading gold US dollar, sometimes I will be trading dollar yen, sometimes I will be trading some other pairs. Remember my friends, if you learn to draw these support and resistance levels on the chart, you will be forever and ever and ever successful in this market. But if you don't do these things, and if you just blindly trade and trade and trade, it means that you are on the wrong side of the market, and there is something that you need to change, right? And positive change only comes with positive thinking and positive mindset. If you have a very positive mindset, then I can guarantee you, you are completely successful and you will be completely successful in this market. But if you have a lot of stress on your mind and you cannot peacefully sit in front of the screen, and every time your mind is occupied by different types of thoughts that are related to your personal life, in those situations when you are in stress, believe me, during those times never ever try to trade, and first try to find out the reason of that stress. What is the stress? You have to pay bills, you have to pay the dues of your kids, whatever it can be. It can be domestic issues, it can be anything, right my friends? So try to be stress free and then see the miracles that this market is going to bring to you, just like it gave me when in times of stress I used to trade. I couldn't make money. On the basis of my personal experience, I'm telling you this. So let's see, the dollar yen has to further go up, and once it go up there, then I will see what I need to do further. Pound US dollar, last week market was 1 2 3 4 5 right here, and right here when the market was, what I said is, we can took okay from here till here. 122 pips of TP and 80 pips of SL was hit. Then we took a buying decision from here, which is currently 100 pips of up, and I'm still assuming 1.29150 it will be going back up. Now I want to tell you what was the specific reason behind it. First of all, I will leave the link in the description. You can check back my trend line videos. You see, this is a very fantastic trend line right here. So if it is broken to the bottom side, this was the zone, and then we have to wait for the price to retest it and then continue looking for the downside of the market. But since right here it gave a very fantastic confirmation right here, and where was that confirmation? On the H4. See, it created a support, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 for 12 candles of H4. So 12 into 4 equals 48 hours. So in 48 hours, around 2 days, the market couldn't break it. And when it couldn't break it, right here, we successfully got into this particular trade opportunity. Now, what happened about those cells which we were holding from up there and from there? Mostly this trade that I took, it hit the take profit of 255 pips, which is again very nice. And this one is currently running with this much of stop loss right here, just barely around 66 pips of take profit, break even stop, I mean. So if the market go up there and doesn't give me another opportunity to enter, it will hit my break even stop and will continue further up, and will try to break 1.30479 and 1.30292. So a very fantastic move it is. Those who are the masters of it, those who understand my strategy very nicely, I can assure you that most of them are in huge profits. So you can also make profits. And just in case if you want to make profit, and if you are not making profit, if you have some problem with your emotions, with your psychology, if you are demotivated from the market, if you have already lost a lot of money in the forex market, do contact me before it's too late, right my friend? And I definitely will be guiding you. So this is my WhatsApp number, and I will immediately reach to you. My whole team is there, and they will reach to you. They will then we can talk and we can discuss that which strategy is the right for you, so I can develop it. You can trade it on the daily basis, weekly basis, what type of trader you want to become, and then it will be a fantastic journey together. So this is the WhatsApp number, you can contact me. Moving on to the dollar Swiss franc, and right here on the dollar Swiss franc, again same situation is going on. Market gave us a 234 pips up move, and right here I still assume 0.88272 is going to be hit in the upcoming week. But obviously this RSI, see, we have a lot of room on the RSI as well. If it come back down till here and retest it again, I'm going to add more positions right here, because dollar CHF, remember, it moves in such a way that it will always give you enough and plenty re-entry opportunities. So those who missed this selling opportunity of around, how much it was, for some traders it was 215, for some it was 351, and for me it was 479. So obviously out of this 479 pips of move, if I take a risk of around 115 pips, it shouldn't cause me any harm. And even if the market come back down, I can add one more decision right here, because to the dangerous side, what it will what harm it can cause me is nothing, but it will just hit my 200 pips of stop loss, and I already made good profits from right here. So let's see, I'm again once I close these positions, I will again be trying to target 0.88272 right here, and for a sell as well. And then if a breakout, retest and continuation, that will be perfect. Moving on to the euro US dollar, my friend. And euro US dollar, this channel I have discussed last week, and 1 2 3 4 5. So right here the market last week was right here, and what I said is it is easily going to hit what level? It's going to hit this previous level of resistance that we have right here, and the top level of the resistance was hit, and after that we get this plenty of opportunity for 118 pips. Now tell me everyone, is it any difficult? No. So if it is not difficult, why you guys are not trading with it, and why you are not consistent with it? You should think about it, right? So this sell opportunity was a very fantastic one, and even we have got a sort of confirmation for this one as well. And the confirmation was this bearish engulfing price action pattern right here, followed by this break right here, the break that market was supposed to go further up. As soon as it dropped, we did nothing. When price go back up to the same zone, I took a sell, and that sell also 65 pips as a day trader. For the long-term trader, obviously this was a sell area 1.10 approximately, and the sellers are now playing very nicely this particular pattern. So what's next? Obviously, let's have a look at it. Well, on the daily time frame, if I zoom in the chart right here, we have several, like this is a support zone for a little bit weaker, and all of the traders who took profits on the basis of it, it gave around 62 pips day trading profit, so that was good. And what I assume now is, I assume this whole is now an impulsive wave for me, and 61.8% retracement comes right here. So if this level is broken to the bottom side, let me delete some of these lines. If this is broken, let me delete this as well, and let's delete this as well. 1.08 is going to be an intraday zone right here, so let's highlight it. And if the market because in the upcoming week this 45 pips it has to come back down, then if it closes retest, it is going to come back down to 1.07895, and from where I will be adding more buying position, and I will be trying to take profit of these sell trades from there. So have you seen, my friend, this market is full of miracles and it can give you fantastic profits, my friends. And if you are able to trade it successfully, remember, and how you will be able to trade it successfully is to get plenty of knowledge. Remember, this is a complete ocean of knowledge, and you have to grab your own knowledge from it and use that knowledge and make profits in the forex market. This is a business, and if you take it as a business, it will be giving you rewards as a business, right, my friends? So take a lot of care of yourself, give me a feedback as well. I will see you tomorrow in the gold forex forecast in detail, and till then, take a lot of care of yourself. See you. Goodbye.